What is up, XRP community? Exciting times for all XRP holders. Thank you for joining me and welcome back to another video. We're sitting at 71 cents right now, and I want to talk about a few potential scenarios and then a lot of other great clips right now. But first off, Decrypt, a very legit media organization. With this headline right here, XRP leads the crypto market rally, soaring 12% overnight. Investors might be feeling more bullish after we received the news that there was approval for use within the Dubai Financial Center from the Dubai Financial Services Authority, allowing over 4,300 DIFC companies to integrate XRP into their operations. We're also getting news that the Ripple settlement has gone down from 770 million to a measly 20 million. And the Ripple Swell conference, the annual conference where they talk about all the updates, is coming in 2 days, and that's also in Dubai. A few things from the Ripple Swell conference right here. This year's Ripple Swell event might hold significant announcements. There are various possibilities: a settlement update or an IPO announcement, virtual assets regulatory authority license, CBDC discussions, and tokenizations, stablecoin discussions. This also came out just a few minutes ago. Bank of England proposes allowing stablecoins as a payment for options for goods and services. It's very clear crypto's not going anywhere. The elites will try and fudge you out of your bags, but it's clear when you see headlines like this, practically every major company working on a CBDC, it's here to stay. If you guys need a spot for XRP or Flare, I recommend Uphold. It's sleek, it's simple, it's secure. You can find a link to Uphold in the video description below. And if you want $61 for free, this is going on until the 8th. Sign up at Webull, deposit 1 penny. You could get up to $3,000 in stocks, but you're guaranteed $61 minimum value just for signing up and depositing 1 penny. Check out Webull in the video description below. Close your account, use the $61 for more XRP, but don't miss out on this great offer. Retail versus institutional investors. I always compare the crypto market in its current state to the early .com bubble. Everyone thought the early winners of the internet boom were Yahoo and Napster. And look at those companies now today. It's Apple, it's Microsoft, it's Google. And I think that we're at the same point right now. Everyone thinks Bitcoin is going to be the supreme leader of crypto. However, Bitcoin has a failed white paper. No one uses it for peer-to-peer currency. Maybe it will be digital gold, maybe it won't. But XRP actually has value. It solves problems, and it innovates cross-border payments. Take a listen to Brad Garlinghouse.
The thing that's very different, and I've been out in Silicon Valley for about 20 years, the thing that's very different about what's happening now versus the dot-com bubble is the dot-com bubble, it was the institutional investors who were in, and then retail came on top and priced things up. The exact opposite has happened here. You have retail and kind of speculative interest already in the market, and now you have institutional money starting to come in.
Unlike the dot-com bubble where retail followed the institutions, retail is already in crypto. Not everyone, but we're given the chance to get in before these big institutionals hop in and drive the price up. And that could be why it's taking a little bit longer than normal, because you got to keep in mind, look at what happened with GameStop 2 years ago when the average Joe was making money on options. They halted trading, right? But hedge funds are allowed to do it. They're allowed to manipulate the markets all the time. And so that could be a hypothesis for why this crypto bull run for XRP is taking a long time, but it's very clear you can't forget the amount of value that XRP has. Interesting thing here about the Rich List. Where do you stand in the XRP Rich List? If you have over 100,000 XRP tokens, you're in the top 30% of XRP holders. You can pause the video here and see where you guys line up. But I would say any amount over 10,000 XRP is a good amount. It's only a matter of time before this token hits double digits. I have no crystal ball, but I truly believe that. Scenarios on the XRP price target. The target's currently 95 cents. The first scenario, euphoria is building, especially today with the push we have. However, it's only Monday. The weekly timeframes are more important. And this burst we have today could leave a wick behind. A retracement could be due, which could target anywhere between 63 and 52 cents. A more accurate prediction can be made once today's daily candle closes in 7 hours. I would expect a reaction after we tap 76 cents. Scenario B, we absolutely send it to take out 94 cents this week. More importantly, a close above 94 cents would mean it's bull time. And I really do believe you'll start to see a $1 XRP price before Christmas. General counsel for Ripple, the head lawyer, Stuart Alderati, Really quick though, guys, I'm giving away $10 in XRP on the channel daily. If you want to enter the giveaway, just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment anything in the YouTube comments below. The winner from yesterday is in the video I uploaded a few hours ago, and whoever wins in this video, I'll put in the video description tomorrow. Moving forward, head Ripple lawyer said, remarkably, Gary Gensler suggested that a crypto project retaining a lawyer is a security. That's wrong as a matter of law, not to mention common sense, and it's not so subtle and outrageous threat to everyone's right to consult with counsel. I covered in my video 2 hours ago, Ethereum literally had an investment contract for their Genesis ICO, and how could Ethereum get a pass and Ripple did not? One of Ethereum's early founders, Steven Neyroff, is claiming that the Ethereum executives are committing a fraud 1,000x times bigger than Scam Bankman-Fried. That's a very bold statement to make, but it's very clear for some reason Ethereum was given a pass, even though they had literally an investment contract. Watch my video from earlier today if you didn't see that. And Ripple didn't have an investment contract. Moving forward right here, guys, some updates on regulation. Where is it? Right here. So this week, Congress and crypto. Preventing a government shutdown and Israel-Ukraine funding again dominate the work week. In the meantime, this week's thread will focus on the wide variety of majority crypto bills that are in play. The House has been more active of the chambers when it comes to crypto legislation on a number of fronts. This is despite SEC Chair Gary Gensler saying legislation is not needed, a pivot from his 2021 position. The recent court decisions have shown these are gaps currently. The Senate does not seem fully shut off to the prospect of legislation through, and the person to watch is Chair Senator Sherrod Brown. While critical of the industry, he has focused on disclosures from crypto companies, illicit finance, and fraud in the wake of FTX trial. Regulation is not always bad, guys. At a high level, the House and the Senate are in very different positions on crypto. However, that hasn't deterred Patrick McHenry from publicly stating multiple times that he is determined to move legislation and work with his Senate counterpart. So what are the bills garnering the most attention in DC? Versus the Clarity of Payment Stablecoins Act, a bill whose origins date back to Facebook's Libra scrutiny. This was the Facebook token that launched. This bill seemed to have the best prospects with bipartisan support, regulatory buy-in, and national security presence. However, in July, the bill passed the committee with decent bipartisan support, but holdups on the main regulators for stables being the states or the Fed. Second major bill is the FIT Act and the Market Structure Bill, another House effort which surprised many in DC by getting more bipartisan support than the stablecoin bill. Both bills' next step would be a House floor vote. Both of these bills have a long way to go to get signed into law, but there is promise of some potential path forward despite pushback from the SEC. And overall, what's happening right now in the Senate and Congress is positive crypto legislation, and that's always positive for the crypto markets. This clip came out right here. Uphold CEO Simon McLaughlin. And if you haven't been following, Uphold and Ripple signed a new partnership recently. And he says, as regulatory clarity is coming in places like Europe, UK, Singapore, Dubai, greater institution adoption is coming. And he mentions that several banks and traditional finance, big banks, have approached them for their services.
Of course, there's a slightly different point, which is as regulation is now finally becoming clearer in the UK, Europe in particular, in places like Singapore and Dubai, as the regs become clearer, you're going to get greater enterprise adoption. You're also going to get greater adoption from the traditional finance world. So we've now been approached by several banks who are interested in white labeling our service. Again, they don't want our wallet. They don't want their customers have to go through KYC twice, but they do want to plug in and access certain of our core services.
There's only a finite amount of XRP tokens, 100 billion to be exact. And it's actually a little bit less. It's 99 billion something because XRP is deflationary. Every transaction, a portion of that XRP fee is burnt. And there's only a certain amount that these institutions can buy. And like what Brad Garlinghouse was saying in the clip earlier about the dot-com bubble, the dot-com boom, institutional money came in and then retail money came in after to drive the market up. In this case, it's the opposite, right? And so as these institutional investors come in, as they want to use XRP, as it gets more regulatory clarity, they're going to have to buy it from somewhere, and that's going to be on the spot market. There's only so many OTCs, and that's going to be bullish for the price. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you made it to the end of the video, comment Uphold below. Best way to support the channel is watching the full video. So if you made it to the end, let me know by commenting Uphold in the comment section below. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your families. Have a great Monday. Until next time.